In this video, I'm going to be recapping my trades from this morning's live day trading session. And you can always go back and watch that video after this if you want to. So let's go ahead and get started. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe if you like this kind of content. So this morning with the LTE team, we noticed that sound was actually pushing up, and we called this out. It was actually right in this area where I bought as that consolidation period began to cross over that moving average. And as we all know, 3 stages of reversal, I preached a lot on the channel. Thank you to one of my mentors who trained me many years ago. When it crosses over that moving average, we usually see a nice bullish sentiment and a nice run up. And that's exactly what I expected to happen today. And that's exactly what did happen. We actually were able to lock in some profits. Although profits don't necessarily matter to you, I do like to show a little bit of proof. Proof is in the pudding, they say. And as you can see here, I actually called this out in our Discord. First link in the description below. You can actually join for free, 100% lifetime access, and it's 100% free. So I actually called this out this morning around, let's see, 623. We actually called GoPro out yesterday. Made $100 on GoPro, only with about 1,200 bucks. So that was pretty cool. Nonetheless, moving on. So SoundHound, we did buy SoundHound another $1,200 or so. It seems to be about an average share price of about 12 bucks or so. So anyways, bought 100 shares at 629. This is 2 hours ahead because it was crossing over. And we did notice this morning. I called it out with the Discord that it was crossing over this moving average, and we could see some nice bullish momentum upward if we got the volume. So I started a light position to get in on it, and that was at 7:03. So I bought in at 6:30. I alerted the team. I told him at 7 o'clock, about 30 minutes later, exactly what it was doing. And then at 7:22, SoundHound announces that they're bringing generative AI-powered voice assistant to Jeep vehicles in Europe. So this is huge. This is huge news for SoundHound AI. So at 8 o'clock, SoundHound pushed up to 1250, 1255, 1260. We alerted our team as it's going, as it's pushing. It pushed up above this moving average for these big wins, and then we saw a lack of progress on 1255, and we can showcase that here on the chat. So the point is, we did a really good job today by identifying support and consolidation on this 3-stage of reversal setup, and also we were able to identify a key target. Now we did place this 1270 price target before any of this happened. You can check it out in the live stream. I drew this price target level. Now the yellow line down here was my average price target, 1222. And as it pushed up, it stayed above this moving average. And as it stayed above the moving average, we were able to ride this wave up. Now I did sell just a little bit too early. It's sad, but I sold on this candle here. Oh, let me go back. I sold on a green candle, right, at 1250. So we're still able to lock in $60 in profit. I will take it nonetheless. $50 in profit, 61, I'm sorry, 61 to be exact. And because of lack of progress at 1255. So right here you can see lack of progress. I wanted to sell before it broke that EMA and went down, and after I sold, of course, it pushed up. Could have resulted in a little bit more money. Could have made $100, right? So nonetheless, we did a great job, and I wanted you guys to understand, or wanted you to understand, if you're watching still, that it's okay to have a plan, and it's okay for that plan to change, right? It's not about being right. It's not about waiting for that perfect price target that might not ever hit. It's all about just making sure that we take our time, we identify that our areas that we are comfortable with the risk that we're taking, and then we go with it, right? So I was comfortable. I identified that there was support at this blue line here, about 1210, and it pushed all the way up to 1269. My first initial price target was 1270. Of course, it didn't make that price target. I sold a little bit before. I got a little nervous, but I should have held, considering it held this above the moving average. Now, as soon as it dipped below the moving average, it dipped below, retested, stayed below, and then could not get back above that blue line moving average till later in the day, where it actually flatlined, and now in after hours it's above that moving average, but it's not necessarily something I'd want to trade. As you look at the 5-minute, once it's below that moving average, it's hard to get back up. So maybe tomorrow we trade it again for another little continuation play if it's above that moving average the same way it was above it today. We got in at a nice time, we rode the wave up, and the only thing is we didn't hold it all the way up. Still really happy with our green day today. There's nothing wrong with it. Join the Discord. First link in the description below. We have our trade ideas. We have our morning live streams. One from today, one from yesterday. I mean, they go back far. I mean, we have live streams for months and months and months. You can look back. We did penny stocks, Amazon, TQQQ, SMG. We traded many stocks in the past, and there's a lot of great information here as well. And if you're a little confused, you're not even sure what's even happening right now, we have a Learn to Earn lesson library that is available to you. If you join the Discord, it's literally right here. When you join, it shows my trading style, what I use, what accounts I use, etc. And then right here, our Learn to Earn lesson library. You can learn how to trade and be successful as a trader in less than 2 hours with these 12 videos. Then you could practice paper trading, and then once you're done paper trading, then you can move on to real money. I want you guys to understand that trading is risky. Trade at your own risk. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. I'm just a guy who likes to trade stocks, and I am showing you what's working for me. There's a ton of different trading styles out there. Mine is not the only one. So what I want you to do is find what trading style works for you. Are you a quick scalper? Are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader? Are you a long-term investor? Do you want to capture dividends? Do you want an income? Do you want growth stocks? Do you have 5 years to invest or trade? Do you have 10 years? Do you have 30 or 40 or 50 years? Whatever your trading style is, your risk tolerance is, and really your own personality and your own personal stress levels and mentality will get you set up in that right direction of exactly what you want to do. So I hope this information helps. There's a ton of free tools on the Discord and in my YouTube channel itself that you can utilize to your advantage if you choose to. So we're going to go ahead and wrap up the video here. We will be trading again tomorrow at market open. So definitely consider subscribing to the channel, smashing the notification bell so you know when I go live. But a great way to remember when I go live is, hey, if the market's open, then you can guarantee I'll be live. And market opens whatever time the market opens in your area. Then, the market opens everywhere at the same time. So you can count on me being there at market open. Now, also, Johnny Trades, this is my channel. Check it out. Over 7.4 thousand subscribers. 1,000 videos now for you guys to watch and get educated on. A ton of different videos, a ton of playlists as well, but the ones I want to point out is the Learn to Earn lesson library, 184 morning live day trading sessions to your disposal that you can watch, and we have some, of course, hybrid athlete trading, Sunday stock talks, how to day trade in 2025, dividends if you're interested in dividends, and a lot of other great resources for you to utilize right here in this YouTube channel. So again, thank you for your time. Like always, smash the like button, and we will see you all in the next video. Have a great day, guys. And remember, let's end the year on a green note.